Good morning guys, how you doing? Sean here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the one surefire way to lose weight, guaranteed. So without further ado, let's get started.
Nerf this!
So I'm about to head to the gym right now. Gotta get a quick workout in to start the day. I haven't been really filming a lot recently because I've had so much content, like so much. Like I've been like 2 or 3 weeks in advance. And as you guys know, or you should know, I release videos just like this every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. So make sure you subscribe and you turn the notification bell on because you don't want to miss them, guys. So let's head to the gym, guys. So it's Memorial Day weekend. Excuse my hair. I'm not gonna do it before I go to the gym. But it's supposed to rain this weekend. Usually it's sunny, bright. There's cookouts going. Not this Memorial Day weekend. I'm sure there'll be cookouts, but probably not today at least. Maybe tomorrow. It is Sunday. It's kind of gloomy out, but overcast makes for great lighting. Lily always told me that, and it's so true.
Good morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, what can I get for you?
Can I get a medium iced coffee black with a turbo shot?
Okay, what else can I get for you?
That'll do it.
All right, $3.91.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Black coffee is great pre-workout if you don't have any pre-workout. Get a shot of espresso in there to really kick things up. Make sure I'm awake and give it my all. On my way home from the gym, my current workout routine is the 300 workout, and if you don't know what that is, it is basically like this circuit that kicks your ass, and I love it. And I don't have to do any cardio with it because like you sweat, like you are doing cardio because you're constantly moving. And what it is anyone who's interested in doing it, I kind of have like a variation of it. Like if you Google it, you'll find a different version. My personal trainer and my wellness coach put it together for me. What it is you start with 25 inverted rows, which are kind of like a modified pull-up. Then you go to 50 deadlifts, then 50 push-ups, 50 goblet squats, 50 kettlebell clean presses, 50 floor wipers, and then you end it again with the 25 inverted rows. So in total, you're doing 300 reps, but they're all different exercises and you're basically doing 50 of each. But man, it is intense, especially because you're not really supposed to give yourself a break. Like obviously, yes, if you get tired and fatigued and cannot do it, you take a break, but as soon as you catch your breath, you jump right back into it. So you really sweat and you feel the pump, guys. It's crazy. Like I can already see a difference in my body from doing it. So if you want to try the 300 workout, I definitely recommend it, especially if you like to sweat during your workouts like I do. I always feel like if I don't sweat, I didn't get a good workout. And that workout makes me sweat every single time. So I'm gonna go home right now, get changed. Lily and I are gonna get some coffee, and I'll explain to you the surefire way to lose weight. And guys, if you're looking for some secret, turn this video off right now because there's no friggin' secret to it, okay? But if you want to know what it is, keep on watching. We're inside of Starbucks, inside of Target right now. We're just getting a few things. I'm gonna see, I'm feeling saucy today, so I'm gonna see if they have the drone. If they have it, I'm gonna buy it. If they don't, then I'll probably go to Amazon. However, I hope they have it because there's a void of drone shots in Boston that needs to be filled, and I would love to fill them. And a special delivery. So let's go see what we can find. So I'm looking for a new wax to use. I'm gonna try this stuff out. Never tried it before, but it says barber grade, high hold, low shine. Low shine is what I'm looking for. I'm using gel right now. It's just too like unnatural looking for my liking. So I'm gonna try this. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. So they're all out. And it's a good thing because that beast that I thought was 200 bucks is actually $1,000. So I wouldn't have got it anyway. All right, let's keep going. YouTube fam, what's going on, guys? Another day, another dollar, hopefully. I am currently on my way to the seaport, back at it again, baby. Yesterday I got super sidetracked and did not even film anything after Target. But yeah, so here we are, and as soon as I get over and park, I will give you guys the surefire way to lose weight. I know if you've made it this far into the video, you're like, what the hell, man? You've said that 3 times already, but I promise you, once I get over to the city, park, on my walk over to Gather, I will give it to you, so you don't want to miss it, so stay with me. Found parking. It's free today because it's Memorial Day, so it was super hard to find. But I went to my usual spot and it worked out. So I'm walking over to Gather right now. The only way to guarantee you to lose weight is to consume less calories than you expend. Expend more calories than you consume, and what I mean by that is either eat less or burn more. So guys, it's really that simple. Eat less than you burn. If you do this over a period of time, guess what? You'll lose weight, you'll burn fat. But I want to say this with an air of caution. Myself, I used to be almost 300 pounds, and I'm down to under 200. And it was I struggled with weight for most of my life. But my only piece of advice would be to not get obsessed with the number. If you get obsessed with the number, trust me, you'll get to that number and it won't be enough. Focus on the look. And the way that I remind myself of this, because I do hop on the scale almost every day. Usually I try to limit to once a week, because it is going to be something that you need to measure over a period of time, not a day by day basis. But what I do is I think of like an NFL player, right? So you see like these huge linebackers. They're like 250, 260, and they're pure muscle. So if you want to look like an NFL athlete, you know, shredded, jacked, diesel, you have to be okay with weighing 250 pounds, which for a long time I didn't get. It didn't really click in my head, but now it does. So really, guys, it's that simple. Consume less calories than you expend, or expend more calories than you consume. It's pretty busy here, so I'm gonna catch up with you guys over across the bridge. To pull up to District Hall right now, fueled up, got some Cafe Nero. Just one other piece of advice I wanted to give to you was to download a calorie tracking app. I use, and I think the most popular one is MyFitnessPal. Input your weight, input the weight you want to be, how much weight you want to lose per week. I suggest only 1 pound a week. Half a pound to a pound a week. I think that's the safest way to approach it. So do that. Be honest with yourself. Track your calories, and you'll be golden. But it's time for me to put some work in. So I just finished up a work sesh at Gather, and I'm on my way back to the car, about to head home. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on because I release videos. So as I was walking back across the bridge yesterday, my camera died, but I wanted to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up. Turn that notification bell on. so you won't miss any of my videos. I release them every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you next time.